Hi everyone, come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's school together to protect and grow our money. All right, this is a trade update of the GFI ticker. This is a gold play. So if we're keeping track of how the gold market is doing, we've been hearing a lot of folks talk about how gold is a defensive play when tech is getting crushed and when the dollar is dropping. Anyway, I'm not a big macro guy, so I like to refer to the charts. As you are familiar, I've been in this GFI trade for about a week now, and you can go back to my videos to see what I discussed about GFI. What you can see though is my entry here is at 1052. So what did price do today? Let's take a better look. All right, as you can see, this is the daily chart. You can zoom out a bit, give you an idea of other support and resistance lines. From a weekly standpoint, we're playing within this channel here. Okay, you can see this tremendous breakout. A lot of volume, a lot of buying. This is like a 75% move here. And what we expect is that price will come back down, retest this long-term support, which it did. This is the weekly candle. So last week came down, hit support, actually wicked down under it quite a bit. Took me out. I was in the trade, got stopped out, and got back in. Okay. Here we are at the daily. Today is the Monday of Thanksgiving week. And because it's a shortened week, there may not be that much volume. As you can see in the candles down here, the volume candles, volume has been waning, okay? And it's very possible that for Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Friday, there won't be much volume at all because perhaps the sharks and whales are on vacation, right? They're taking their bonuses and they're taking their family out for a nice time. Let's zoom into the hourly, and I'll also enable the indicators to give us a better feel for what's going on. Okay, so this is the long-term, well, medium term, back to, I think it's July 2020. Okay, so it's not super long, but it goes back to July 2020. It's providing decent support. Price wick down on Thursday this morning. No, sorry, this is Friday morning. Okay, so last Friday, wick down, recovered, and you can see that it's uptrending, okay, in the short 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now, what do we expect to happen? Let's go to the indicators. What I'm looking for is divergence. Okay. Is there any indication that price is going to reverse on us and go down? Because I'm long. Okay. I'm long right here at 1052. At the moment, I don't see any divergence. I see agreement between price and momentum. Okay. Price is making newer, higher lows. Yeah. Higher lows, uptrending. Now there is resistance here in this short time frame, this channel here. What I expect to happen tomorrow is it'll test it, okay, on the hourly, perhaps on the open. Maybe they'll gap it up. If they gap it up, I feel they'll gap it up and have it come back down to retest this trend line. Regardless, I feel if they either buy it up, come down, hit the trend line, and bounce, okay? It could, on the hourly, gap it up, bounce, bounce, and then take off. But really, we just have to pay attention to the momentum indicators. Right now, it's bullet. It's price is moving in the direction of the momentum. So it's not necessarily super bullish, but at least on the hourly standpoint, you can see that it's holding here on this trend line. And you might say, well, John, what's the long-term play on this? How far are we going to hang on to our trade? Really, my targets will be um, of course, it'll test this 1093, 1092 point, this resistance here at 1092. I'm going to remove the gold 1094. That was somebody else's, one of my subscribers informed me that Yahoo Finance uses that as a resistance, but I'd like to go with my own assessment. So I'm going to remove that one. And they said this one at 931 is support. It may well be. I just like to stick with what works for me, which is my own review of the charts and support resistance lines. All right, so I'm not a financial advisor. That's my disclaimer. I'm just somebody who enjoys trading and analyzing the stock market using technical analysis. I am in this trade long at 1052. I intend to perhaps, take part of my position. I'll close part of my position here, wait for price to bounce here underneath, break through, perhaps bounce around. Maybe it'll do this thing. Boy, it's hard to draw using this this brush. So I'm going to try doing it with the highlighter because the brush is it doesn't work as you would expect. It's actually really annoying. All right, give me a second here. All right. So this is on the daily. What do I expect to happen? See if I can use the highlighter. Actually, no, there may be a tool here. Let's see. There's so many options here. Oh, okay. Price direction? No, I'll just use a highlighter. Okay, so let me test it here real quick. Okay, so I feel price will break out, perhaps tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, it'll break through this trend line, break out. I think they'll sell it down. It may even come down to hit this one down here. Okay, but my stop would be if it is an impulsive sell below this trend line. Okay, it may bounce around, but in the end, I feel it would keep going up. So that's my play. Okay, good luck with your trade. Let me know if this video is useful for you. I'm going to do another gold ticker video after this because the gold play is on the table. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your trades.